Hi everyone, welcome to yet another section of Tarot Divinations, and this is Dr. Khushbu Gulati, this side. And in the previous video, uh, we had learned about the minor arcanas, okay, of the sword suit, that is the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords, okay. And I had told you that these two, they are the power couple, okay, they are the divine couple. And we had just started the minor uh, arcanas in our previous section, okay. And the first suit which we have taken is the sword suit. In that I had told you about the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords in our previous section. Now today we'll discuss about the remaining two court cards, okay. That is the Knight and the Page, okay, the Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords. Now I would like to tell you one thing, that both these Knight and Page, okay, they are a bit immature energy as compared to the other two court cards, that is the King and the Queen, okay. The King and the Queen, they both are mature energies, okay. They are like, they are powerful energies, they are mature energies, okay. They know what they are doing, they know how to take good decisions, okay. They have good decision making power. So they are like much mature energies when compared with the Knight and the Page, okay. The Page is much more immature as compared to the Knight, okay. And the Knight is a little bit immature when compared to the other two court cards, that is the King and the Queen, okay. So please keep this thing in mind. The Page of Sword is also known as a student, okay, because it is the most immature among all the four court cards. And it is so that is why it is known as a student, because it is still learning, okay. It is in the learning phase, and it it is immature, and it commits mistakes as well. So that is why it is known as a very immature energy. And it is also known as a student energy or a student card, okay. That is still in the learning phase, it's like in the growing phase. And you know that this card is the lowest card in the hierarchy among the court cards, okay. So that is why it is known as the student card, okay. So we'll start with the Knight of Swords, okay. So this is the Knight of Swords. Are you able to see clearly, guys? This is the Knight of Swords, okay. So what does the Knight of Swords do? The Knight of Swords, I have already told you, it is a sort of younger energy, and it is much more immature energy when compared with the King and Queen, okay. And this often comes in very quick, as you can see in the card itself, that the knight on the sitting on the horse, he's in a very rushed state. He's like moving his horse hastily, he's going fast. The horse is also coming, rushing in. And the horse is very it's in a very fast pace, okay. It's moving very fast. So this is a very hush card, मतलब like जैसे कहते हैं ना जल्दबाजी में, ओके. तो जो ये कार्ड है, ये बहुत इसको कहते हैं कि बहुत एक फास्ट कार्ड है. दिस इज अ वेरी फास्ट कार्ड, ओके. So when this card appears in your reading, this means that something or somebody is coming rushing in, okay. Maybe a news, maybe a person coming to see you quick, okay. Or maybe a form of communication. But whatever it is coming in very quick, okay. It is coming in a haste, okay. So this often comes in very quick. It rushes in, and it comes in with that sword, okay. This is also coming with that sword, okay. So the fast communication. This sword, it is representing the fast communication, and it's like they fly through the air. Okay, it is like seeming that this person, he's in a rush and he's just flying on his horse. Okay, so he's just coming rushing in. He's like he's very very quick. Okay, the person is in a haste, and either the communication which is coming to you is like real quick, you are not expecting that, it's like really out of the blue. Okay, and it's really unexpected. A meeting, okay, with a person, or any form of communication, be it text, be it phone call, be it email, whatever it is. Okay, so it's very very fast, and it's this knight, this knight is not absolutely afraid, and it's just coming rushing in. And if you pick this energy for career or love or family, then someone or something could be coming in so quickly that it takes you by surprise. Okay, like you were not expecting that news or that person to come in, but it is coming in anyways. So like you are taken in by surprise. That is really unexpected, and that comes out of the blue. Okay, so this is what the Knight of Swords is all about. Okay, now the next card after the Knight of Swords, that is the last card among the court cards, is Page of Swords. Okay, see, this is the Page of Swords, and this is a this is a much immature energy when compared to the Knight as well. Okay, King and Queen and Knight. Okay, so this is the lowest card among the hierarchy within the court cards, and it is the most immature energy among the 4 cards. Okay, so the Page of Swords is a bit more of a younger energy than the Knight of Swords, I've already told you. And they are someone which are like a person is coming in. Okay, they either want to meet you or they want to communicate with you. Okay, this Page of Swords card. Okay, and they are keeping an eye on you. This card can sometimes mean that the person is keeping an eye on you, the person is keeping tabs on you. Sometimes this card is also known as a stalker card. Okay, so this can also come when somebody is like stalking you, or when somebody is keeping tabs on you, or when somebody knows about your whereabouts, or maybe if someone is looking at your social media pages like Insta, FB, Twitter, whatever it is. Okay, so sometimes this card can also represent someone keeping an eye on you. Okay, so the Page of Swords is a social media card as well. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to come in, who wants to communicate with you. Essentially, they are more often immature energy as well, and this energy doesn't know how to use this sword energy, okay, as compared to the other sword cards about which we read earlier. So this card is a student card. It is an immature card, so obviously it doesn't know how to make proper use of this sword. Okay, that is why it is known as an immature card or a student card. Okay, so but definitely someone who just wants to communicate, and as I have already told you that it is a younger energy, so it is a playful, youthful, fresh energy, and it wants to have fun. Okay, it is a fun loving energy. Okay, so this is a very youthful energy wanting to communicate and brings on an offer. Okay, this energy might bring you an offer as well. Okay, or something that might bring some sort of reward to you. But perhaps it is somewhat often that offer or that reward, it is not pretty useful to you, or it is not much of an importance to you. Okay, because this is an immature energy, so that is why maybe that thing is not as relevant to you if you get that offer, or if you get that thing whatever it is. Okay, so or if by the way you get that thing or you get that offer, and maybe it is of relevance to you, but then it would be something that you would not necessarily believe. Okay, so this is a bit of an immature energy, but youthful, playful, and an energy which wants to have fun with you and which wants to communicate with you. Okay, so this is what the Page of Swords is all about. Okay, so I think we have completed our set of code cards. Okay, that is the King of Swords, the Queen of Swords, which are a couple, and then the Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords. Okay, so in our next video, we'll be discussing the sword suit further. Okay, we will carry on our journey, and I think that's all for today. Please check out my previous videos and learn about the other cards about which I have described in my previous sections. And that's all for today. Take care. Okay, and we'll meet in the next class soon. Bye bye.